Welcome. In front of me is a Doogee mix, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, you will need a little SIM eject tool. Now they usually come in a box, but I don't have one long enough to take out the SIM tray, so I'm just gonna use this paper clip. And once you have it ready, the SIM tray is located at the top of the phone, so I'm gonna place it there and push the tray out. And as you can see now, the tray has come out. So you can just pull it out like so. And from here, all you need to do is just place the memory card and the SIM like so. Okay. And you can also have another SIM instead of the memory card. So if I take this out and move the card over, you can see that it will take two different cards. But I'm gonna do as an example with each one. So once you have it placed, laying flush with the tray, all I want to do is just slide it back into the device. So take it, and there it is. So now if I unlock the device, you will see that there is the SD card and SIM card as well. So that is how you would change or insert the SIM card and SD card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.